searching for the opening act. Wanna be the breadwinner while they're searching for a free lunch. And I just wanna live in
Cloud one as well is for Joshua.
Everyone's on time and the weather is fine. And it's just
Hi loves, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Choma and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. The cloud is just so dull. It's raining heavily. I want to dry my charcoal on the sun so that it will dry off. And there's no sun to do that. Because it has been raining since morning. And my husband will be going to the market, and because of this rain, I don't even think, but anytime the rain stops, I think he will go to the market, to bush market, to go and buy goods. So let me show you guys what I mean by I want to dry my charcoal. I covered the charcoal because I really need money. I need money and I don't have charcoal again. The charcoal I had, I tied 2 bags the other day, and right now it's just remaining few, and it will not even do me today. It will not do me today. So I really want to tie charcoal, and today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday, and every Saturday I make sales a lot. So yeah, let me show you guys how the cloud is looking now. It's raining heavily. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified when next I upload a new video. I'm outside right now, so let me show you guys, okay? Look at what I mean by it is raining heavily. Like, it has reduced for now. It has reduced. Few moments ago it was raining heavily. Look at, can you see the cloud? Can you see? It's raining heavily. And this is my charcoal that I want to tie. You see, I covered this charcoal like this, and I'm having like 9 bags of charcoal in here. And this is my charcoal. Cover this charcoal well. Can you see? The rain really fall. The one I will tie is still inside here. This is my drum. I need to put water inside this drum. This is where we are getting our water from. I seriously don't know what to do right now because I really need to dry charcoal, and this rain is bombasting me so well this morning. The rain has started again. The rain don't start again. It has started again. I'm following shortcuts. The rain has started. Oh my goodness. See? The rain have started again. But anyways, I'll still go and fetch water now so that I'll be able to fill in my drum inside the bathroom, because I need to fill in water, because this is an opportunity to have water, okay? So yeah, let me cover here. It's very dark inside. We don't have lights. Not at all. No lights. It's very dark inside. So I need to open the curtain.
your tender mercy.
It's dark in here.
Day after day.
My son.
Forever faithful towards me. Always providing for me. Great is your mercy towards me. Great is your grace. there's none beside you. I lift my voice and sing. There is none like you. Oh, forever faithful towards me, always providing for me. Great is your mercy towards me, worthy. Great is your grace. Forever faithful, forever faithful, forever faithful, forever faithful, forever faithful towards me. Always providing for me. Great is your mercy towards me. Great is your grace. Grace.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, so I am done with washing of clothes. You guys can see clothes everywhere. Can you see all those things? There are clothes that I washed today. Woman that I do pay, she came later to wash the remaining clothes. So I'm really grateful to God that number one, I've achieved a whole lot today, and I'm loving today's weather. There is sun, like the sun is just sunning. I love today's weather a lot. I know that before evening my clothes would have been dried, some of them, not all actually, because of the weather. The sun is just coming and going, but it's still better than day before yesterday and yesterday, because day before yesterday and yesterday throughout it was raining heavily. And right now I want to bathe my children, and then I'll also bathe and head straight to the shop so that they can go and make their hair for their graduation tomorrow. So let me bathe my daughter, beg, and I will talk to you all much later, okay? So my children are going for graduation. So they are all set. They are prepared already to go to graduation. I'm done. So it's just for me to, you know. Today is my children's graduation. Favor is the one graduating actually, but all of us are going there to go support her, okay? So that's just where we are heading to. We are already late, and I'll talk to you guys when we reach the school and, you know, show you guys everything that is happening in the graduation field. So please come along with us and like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification so that you will get Mommy,
You're the lover of my soul, one who gave me everything. Even before I asked you on my key, I lift my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? Maker of heaven and earth, creator of all. Holy, holy, holy. feet, I bow. I am yours now. Take my life, I am yours now. Holy, holy, holy.
DJ music first. These students have invented new national anthem.
John.
Welcome, we are glad to say, your last time is coming, never fail to come.
If you my liver.
Welcome to Revival. Our school is full of love. Come to you, Mrs. Amara, provide fresh of ours. Welcome to Revival. Our school is full of joy. Come to you, Mrs. Balogu, supervisor of ours. Welcome to Revival. Our school is full of joy. Come to you, Mrs. Peter, head mistress of ours. Welcome to Revival. Our school is full of joy. In our papers of teacher, put into your house and record my face. So you are living us, you don't know what to do. Sugar is sweet, honey is sweet, but our seniors are the sweetest, we don't know what to do.
Hi, senior. Please, DJ, I present to you a sack letter. Why will you allow them to step on without music? I did not hear amen from all of visitors here.
My soul, one who gave me everything.
Well, you did.
Even
That's
before
what
I asked you on my key. I lift my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from?
Thank you.
Maker of heaven and earth, creator of all. Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. At your feet I bow. I am yours now. Take my life, is the Lamb. You're the lover of my soul, one who gave me everything, even before I asked you on my key. I lift my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? Maker of heaven and earth, the creator of all. Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. At your feet I bow. I'm yours now. Take my life, I am yours now. Holy, holy.
Una try, a ver.
Hey guys, so we just came back from the graduation party, and we first of all stopped at the shop to just rest. And yeah, they finished eating their food, their graduation food in the shop, and we are back home right now. But let me show you guys what we came back home with, what they gave us in the graduation. Okay, let me show you guys, and I hope you will like this particular video. Thank you. Bring him down. I'm tired. Oh my goodness, I'm literally tired. My hand is paining me. So guys, these are all this my popcorn I bought. Okay, this one. So these are all the things they gave us from their graduation. This one is for Kiara, and this one is for Joshua for taking first, and this particular one as well is for Joshua, Favor, and the fork and spoon is for Kiara. This one is also for Kiara, and this particular one is also for Joshua and Kiara. Joshua and Favor, I think. Yeah, Joshua and Favor. So these are all the things they gave them in school, and I'm loving it. Actually, I am loving it because it's so beautiful. I love it a lot. It's so beautiful. I was even planning to go and buy plates, but guess what? I was eagerly, planning to go and buy plates, but God did it for me. I will still buy plate too, but for now, this God has remembered me. God, you have remembered me, and you gave me plate free of charge. No, it's not free of charge. I paid 17,000 naira, 7,000 naira for Favor, 5,000 naira for Kiara and Joshua. So I paid, but it is, it is so joyful. Like, I love the gifts they gave this year. I am very, very happy. I'm very, very happy that they really did that particular, give us this beautiful and amazing gift. Unlike last year that they gave us baskets, and people were complaining that they don't need baskets. So this particular gift is very good for parents. It's very, very good for parents. Okay, so yeah, that is it. Let me go and pull off my clothes, and thank you so much for watching this particular video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and also leave us a sweet comment in the comment section, and I'll be happy that you did so. I will definitely reply to your comments, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.